Feel like your wallet's always empty? No matter how hard you try, saving money just seems impossible? You're not alone. But even if you're broke, there's a smart way to start saving. Fast. Most people save after they spend. That's backwards. Wealthy people save before they spend. Saving isn't about how much you earn. It's about building the habit, even with a small amount. Start with just $5 a day. That's one coffee, one snack, one impulse buy you won't miss. $5 a day equals $150 a month, equals $1,800 a year. That's not nothing. That's a safety net. Break your income into three simple buckets. 1. Needs, 50%. Rent, food, bills. 2. Wants, 30%. Fun, dining out, streaming 3. Savings, 20%. Emergency fund, goals, investments. Don't try to track every penny. Just focus on keeping the buckets balanced. The trick? Don't trust your willpower. Set up auto transfers to savings right after payday. You don't need to be rich to save. You just need a system and the first $5 to commit. If this helped you see money differently, imagine what our next video could do. Hit that subscribe button and join thousands learning money the smart, simple way.